Hello guys, today I will discuss about a step by step guide to server monitoring tools, instruction, ensure smooth operation. Welcome to the comprehensive guide one server monitoring tools, instruction in this article. We will walk your thought the process step by step, running that you have a clear understanding of how to set up those tools. Server monitoring is the backbone of maintaining the health and performance of your IT information, whether how there we are an experienced IT personnel or new come to the world of server monitoring management. This guide will prove valuable to help you access last deep in a step-by-step guide to server monitoring tools extension. In this section, we will break down the instruction process into a server work clear and concise step. By following their instruction, you will be one your way to effective server monitoring in one time. Choose the right monitoring tools. Selecting the appropriate tools. Select collect sure as your server operating system collectively and your organization's management needs. Popular option 9 Zabbix and provider. Visit of your official website of your sense monitoring tools and download the extension background compatible with your server. Most monitoring tools offer use already download likes and downtime to state you